Hello students, I hope you are well and doing well. Today in this lecture we will discuss three important identities. We have such type of 9 identities. Out of 3 we have picked out of 9 I have picked 3 identities. We will discuss these 3 identities and we will use also the questions related to these identities. I strongly recommend you to uh, learn all the identities so that you can easily apply these 9 identities and tackling your questions. So I will try one of the identities. After this, you will apply or you can drive other identities by same method. So let's start. Integration of a square minus x square. I will use in this the integrate by part. For integration by part we need two functions, so I will multiply this with 1 and dx. Now we will choose first which one we have to use first and which one we have to use second. For this we will use a square minus x square as first and this one as second. We always choose first that function which have difficult integration and second which have easy integration. So because first function this one a square minus x square, first function integration second mean integration of 1 is x minus integration derivative of first, so derivative of first is root a square minus x square into minus 2x into integration of first function. So as we know integration of 1 is x. Now we will simplify, so it will be x root a square minus x square, a square minus x square. So root a square x square, and this one is integration x square minus upon a square minus x square dx. Now after this we will convert the numerator same as the denominator in the second part. So this will be x root a square minus x square minus we will add and subtract a square, so it is a square minus x square minus a square upon a square minus x square dx. After this we will separate these two parts, so it will be integration of a square minus x square dx equal to x root a square minus x square minus, we will separate these two parts, a square minus x square minus a square minus x square upon root a square minus x square dx, and another one is a square upon, another one is plus integration a square upon a square minus x square dx. Now we will simplify this one as, so it is integration a square minus x square dx, x integration a square minus x square minus, this one is power 1 and this one is power half, so it will be root a square minus x square dx, and this one is a square 1 upon a square x square dx. Now these two parts are similar, this one and this one, so I will shift this part to other side, so it will be 2 times a square minus x square dx, and this one is x a square minus x square. As we know, this is integration of sine inverse x upon a. So sine inverse x upon a plus c. Now we will divide with this 2 this side, so it is integration of a square x square dx equal to x upon 2 a square minus x square, and this one is a square upon 2 sine inverse x upon a plus c. So this is our derived answer. Clear? So this one is a square minus x square, a square minus x square x upon 2 a square upon 2 sine inverse x upon a. So you can derive all the three parts, all the other two parts by the same method. You will always multiply the function with 1, and you can apply integrate by parts, this one. So this is our final answer. So try other two parts by yourself to derive there. Now let's. So now we will apply the question sum exercise 7.7 and question number first. We will apply directly the formula if we know. So the formula, we will convert this question a square 4 as a square minus x square. So we can write 4 as 2 square minus x square. Now, so what we have to find integration of these two, this one, so dx, and here also dx. So this one is a square minus x square. On comparing, what we have observed that a is 2 and x is x. On comparing this one with this, what we have observed, a square, in place of a we have 2 and in place of x is x. So in the right hand side we will replace x with x and a with a with 2. So 2 square minus x square, a square means 2 square sine inverse x upon 2 plus c. So after simplification it will be x upon 2 root 4 minus x square. We will cancel, so sine inverse x upon 2 plus c. This will be our answer. So this is question number first of exercise 7.7. Now we will do this question. So again we will convert this into as a standard form of the identities. So for this we will write this as integration of this one we have to find. So integration root 1 mean 1 square, and we can write this as 2x whole square. Now on comparing, what is a is 1 and in place of x we have 2x. So we will replace x by 2x, but keep one thing in mind that we always divide with coefficient of x. So here in this case the coefficient of x is 2. So let's start how we'll do. In the identity we'll replace x with 2x and a with 1. We will replace now this one 1 and x with again 2x. A square means 1 square upon 2 sine inverse x mean 2x and a is 1 plus c. But we will divide whole thing by 1 upon 2 because coefficient of x is 2. So we can write this as x integration 4x square 1 upon 2 sine inverse 2x plus c. This is our answer. Now this one, first we'll convert this into standard form. To convert this into standard form, we will apply complete squaring method. So take minus common, so x square plus 4x minus 1 dx. Now as we know, integration minus x square 4x, the coefficient of x is 4. We'll divide this with 2 and we get 2. So square of 2 will be add and subtract. And minus 1. And minus 1. Now this one is a square, b square 2ab. So write this as minus a square plus b square whole square, and this one is 4 and minus 1, it will give us 5 dx. So integration 5 minus x plus 2 whole square. Now this is, we can write as root 5 a square minus x plus 2 whole square dx. Now this is standard form of integration of a square minus x square dx. So we have this formula, which one we have derived. So we will directly replace, a square by root 5, a with root 5 and x square by x plus 2. So integration will be a square. What is a square in this? Root 5. So root 5 upon 2 whole square a square into same result. Same result you can write this one and this one, anyone. So we will write this one as 4x minus x square. Same result because when you have to open this portion, so it will also become this. So a square, wait, x upon 2, sorry, this one is x upon 2. What is x? X upon 2, and next plus a square. A square is root 5 square and this will be 5 upon 2. Then sine inverse so sine inverse x upon a. What is a? Root 5 plus c. So this is our final answer. Plus c, our answer. So this is important to cover such type of question. You need to strongly learn all such type of identity so that you can easily apply. Otherwise you have to use the eyelet method here also. Now it's so long process and time consuming, so it's better to save your time, and sometime it's difficult to use integrate by part in a small time. A square minus x square. So we'll convert this as a formula, standard formula. So 1 square we can write 9 as 3 square. So this one is a square x square. So again we will apply the same formula, but here is plus. Keep in mind this is plus. Earlier it was minus, this time this is. So we'll apply. Let me tell you which formula we will apply. So plus this one will apply this x upon 2, same result, a square upon 2 log x. So if you have to be observed carefully, here is x upon 2, here also x upon 2, here also x upon 2. After this, same result, same result, same result mean this one, same result, then same result mean this one. And after this, a square upon 2, a square upon 2, a. Just a little bit change here is minus, otherwise everywhere plus. Now sign log and log. Okay, so x upon 2, x upon 2 everywhere, then same result everywhere, then a upon 2, a upon 2 everywhere, but minus in x minus a square. Then this one is also related to, whenever this is in the denominator, we write this as log xx. If you have to be this one as denominator, so you can write this one as integration of this one. So keep related to each other so that easily you can learn these formulas. So we'll complete our question, this one. So we will apply our formula. So it will be x upon 2, same result. Same result mean x square by 9. Then a square. What is a square? 1. A square upon 2 log x plus same result. But in this case, we have to divide by coefficient of x, which one is 1 upon divide 1 upon 3, so it becomes 3. Now multiply, it will become x upon 2 1 plus x square upon 9, then 3 upon 2 log mod x upon 3 mod x upon 3 plus 1 plus x square upon 9 plus c. So this is our answer. I hope this video will help you to understand such type of question. Thanks for watching.